Welcome to another episode of The Good, the Bad, and the Deadly when it comes to cooking oils. Today's oil of choice, we are talking about none other than palm oil, aka palm seed oil, aka palm kernel oil. And as you may have guessed, palm seed oil comes from palm trees, mostly from South America. I'm really about to get into this, and frankly, you want me to save you a couple of minutes? Don't do it. Just don't have it. Don't have the palm seed oil. One, if you're in favor of rainforests and keeping rainforests, stay away. Don't give corporations that put this product in their foods your money, because it's going towards the deforestation of rainforests, because that's where predominantly most of the palm oil comes from. So keep that in mind. Next, you might be thinking, but palm seed, comes from palm, the fruit of a palm tree. That's got to be a good thing because it's a fruit. Well, actually, running theme in most of this, it's actually the process through which palm oil is refined. It's refined with two specific products that I want to call out, one being sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a product that's used in a bunch of petroleum products. So it's used to help kind of stabilize the petroleum products, and it's also used in this process to help refine and stabilize the palm oil. Another one, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is a component in fertilizer and detergent. And last time I checked, when I look at the back of a label of fertilizer and detergent, it says, do not ingest, may be harmful for you. Yet we are eating an oil that has been processed and refined with a component that's also used in fertilizer and detergent, yet we're told can be harmful if we ingest. So I'll just leave that up to you if you want to use some logic and deductive reasoning on determining whether or not that should be a good thing for you. Also, palm seed oil has been linked to increases in LDL, the bad cholesterol, increases in risk for heart disease, and basically just overall, it's used as a component to improve shelf life in products, namely baby formula. So that's another thing. So any moms out there that are giving your infant baby formula, keep that in mind. Make sure palm seed oil isn't an active ingredient in that. All my vegans out there, like, oh yeah, I'm vegan, I'm eating vegan cheese, not gonna have that dairy cheese. Well, I got bad news for you. A lot of vegan cheese, palm seed oil. Try to stay away from that if you can. Ice cream, peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's another tricky one. Make sure you get peanut butter with natural oil. Okay, peanut oil, not palm seed oil. That's what I got for you. Another video coming to you ASAP.